Today, we're going to master some super useful English words for your next restaurant visit. By the end of this, I promise you'll feel so much more confident.
First, we're going to learn 10 key vocabulary words. Then, we'll listen to a short story, and finally, we'll do a quick quiz to see what you remember.
Let's dive right into our first section. Our first word is reservation. A reservation is just an arrangement you make ahead of time to have a table saved for you. So, for example, you could say, "I made a reservation yesterday."
Next up, we have host. The host is that friendly person you see when you first walk in. They greet you, check your name, and then take you to your table. So you might say, when we arrive, the host checks our names.
Available. If a table is available, it means it's free and ready for you. It's not occupied. It's a great feeling when you hear, "Luckily, our table is available."
Recommendation. What is that? Well, it's simply a suggestion. You know, if you're not sure what to eat, it's a great idea to ask your waiter for their opinion. You can just say, "I ask for a recommendation."
Our next word is appetizer. An appetizer is a small dish you eat before the main course. It's just to get you started. For example, he suggests a special appetizer.
Medium rare. This describes how you want your steak cooked. It means the inside is warm and red, perfectly juicy, but not raw. So you tell the waiter, "I order a steak, medium rare."
Refill. A refill is just when you get more of your drink. It could be water, soda, whatever you're having. And here's a little tip. Sometimes refills are free. An example sentence is, "One of my clients asks for a refill of his drink."
Separate checks. This just means that each person gets their own bill. It makes paying so much easier. You can just say, at the end, "We ask for separate checks."
Service charge. Now, this is an extra amount of money that some restaurants add to the bill for the service. You can think of it like a tip that's already included. For example, I notice a small service charge on the bill.
And our last word for now is complaint. A complaint is what you make when something isn't right or you're not satisfied. But hopefully your meal is wonderful and you won't need this word. Then you can say, "I pay without any complaint."
Let's see how they work in a real situation.
Tonight, I have dinner with 2 clients. I made a reservation yesterday. When we arrive, the host checks our names. Luckily, our table is available.
The waiter greets us. I ask for a recommendation. He suggests a special appetizer. We decide to order it.
For the main dish, I order a steak, medium rare. One of my clients asks for a refill. The service is polite and professional.
At the end, we ask for separate checks. I notice a small service charge on the bill. Everything looks correct, so I pay without any complaint. The dinner goes well.
It's time to check what you've learned. Don't worry, it's just for fun.
Okay, first question. What do you call it when you book a table before you go to a restaurant? I'll give you a second to think.
Did you get it? The answer is a reservation. Of course, you make a reservation.
All right, question number 2. What's the word that describes how you want your steak cooked? You know, that perfect spot between rare and well done. And the answer is medium rare. Fantastic job.
Okay, now for the last question. And this one is for you to answer. What do you call that extra money that sometimes gets added to the bill for the service? Go ahead and write your answer down in the comments. I can't wait to see your answers.
You did an absolutely amazing job today. And hey, if you liked learning with me today, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.